Hello, today I will be changing in-cab air filter on my Ford Transit 2020, and it's not too hard. Actually, when you open your glove compartment, they have two tabs on each side holding it, so if you just stick your finger, or if you have a screwdriver, probably easier, but you push one side, that's what's holding it. So when you stick your finger, you push it in to release it, and then when you release one side, you have a room to wiggle it a little bit towards this side, towards the passenger side, towards the right. So you a lot of times not gonna even have to pry it on this side. So your in-cab air filter is right here. So to open it up, you have a little tabs. Push it. This one, push it, release, and that's your in-cab air filter over there. It's not too strong, so when you remove it, kind of try to be gentle. Like in my case, it's not coming out very, and mine is, as you can see, filthy. I was breathing this stuff. When you pull it out, I guess there's only one way to put it in because of this notch, but just in case, make sure this arrow's down, the airflow. See, that's the airflow over here. I don't know if you can read it well enough. Nothing on this side, but that's how it goes. Yeah, this one I should have changed a long time ago. So mine looks a little bit different. Again, if you're interested, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. And a lot of times you're gonna have to kind of like wiggle it, because it's not gonna go like super easy. So you actually want to push it all the way in before you close the tab. Line up with the edges over here, push it just like that, then retrace this stuff, hook it on the right side. Gotta go a little bit farther in. That's it. That's how you place it. You have and just push it. You don't have to pry anything. Just close it up just like that. So that's how you change the in-cab air filter Ford Transit 2020, and probably some other years. Thank you for watching.